Welcome back to Brotuned, everyone. My name is Ryan, and today we're going to be shooting 50 yards with SK rifle match out of my 1022 Target Lite. This is a new gun to the channel, so hope you guys enjoy it. Not a big semi-auto fan myself, but you have to have a semi-auto for the channel, and I feel this one might do it. Completely stock rifle. I put my Bushnell Elite Tactical LRTSI 4.5 to 18 on top, and we have a mag pull bipod. Not the most stable thing, but it'll do for semi-auto. Like, what do you expect, right? So we're gonna do 5 shots on center, and they'll do 4 more 5-shot groups. I'm gonna count all the groups. The center one might not be dead center, and we'll try to dial it a little more center for the other 4. But that's enough talking. Let's get to shooting. So about 25 shots for this target, and we'll see how this little 22 semi-auto does with SK rifle match. And if you guys want to see more of this gun, let me know. Comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Most of you guys haven't. 90% of you haven't. But anyways, let's get shooting. Did I load one in? Yeah, ready to rock. Okay, here we go. Center target, 5 shots. Wow. So, we're about 2 inches on that group. Well, not 2 inches, but that's a huge group. Not used to seeing groups like that shooting bolt action 22s, the precision rifle style. So, this is kind of new to me now. Well, let's get back to it. Group number 1. That's a little better, but still, from what I'm used to with bolt action, can't even compete. I know you can make these things super accurate, and maybe I might have to do that, but for now, this is what we're getting. That could be just this ammo as well. I'll have to try other stuff, see if it can shoot better with different ammo. Group number 2. Here we go. Well, that was a little better for sure. 4 touching, 1 off to the side. I can live with that. Okay, group number 3, here we go. Like, what was that? I was holding dead center and broke dead center. So that's a pretty big group there. Yeah, I guess I just have to get used to this. These opened up groups. Did I shoot 5 there? Yeah, definitely 5 holes. Okay, here we go. Last group, group number 4. So pretty much, it almost seems like every group we had a flyer, at least one anyways. Why won't this mag come out? There we go. So yeah, there you have it. So that's what this thing's doing with rifle match. Not spectacular, but I've definitely seen worse as well. So all right guys, hope you see you next weekend. Take care. Bye for now.